What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing with you step by step how you can use Ria Money Transfer to send money. Even though in this video I will be using the website, you can download the mobile app and follow the same steps. Very easy to follow guys, nothing complicated, right? So if you don't have an account, you can click the link in the description of this video. It will take you to riamoneytransfer.com. And once you're there, you know the drill, right? Select register, select your country, and then complete your account, right? So in the registration process, it's going to ask you some information about yourself, your phone number and password, right? However, I already have an account, so I'm not going to complete this step. So I'm going to cancel here, select exit, and now I'm just going to log into my existing account. So once you specified your verification code, you're going to select done. Right here I'm going to select remember this device. Now to send money, all you need to do guys is select send money, select the country that you want to send money to. It will give you an estimate of how much the recipient will receive, and trust me, Ria Money Transfer is one of the best rates out there. So you will select your payment option. You can do a credit or debit card, and for delivery method you can do a cash pickup or a bank deposit, right? Note, when you do a bank deposit, the exchange rate is $113, and if you do a cash pickup, it's $116.72, and this is Canadian dollars being converted to Jamaican dollars. So depending on which country you're sending from, you will see the variations, right? So you decide on which option you want to go with. So I'm going to go with bank. Here I'm going to select continue. The cost is $5 to send. So here you would add new recipient. So you could say yourself or someone else, because you can do transfer to someone else's bank account. And here you'll complete the recipient information. So here I'm just going to select my account. This is a summary of my bank account information which is on file. Now if you don't know your branch code number, you can use bank code finder. Let me show you real quick. Bank codes finder, right? So you're going to go to this website. From the bank codes, select your country. So I'm going to select Jamaica routing number and find routing number. So from the search, you can search a bank that you want to find. So I'm going to search for National Commercial Bank. And here it generates a list of branch for National Commercial Bank. So I'm just going to select one. Now scroll down and you'll see the branch code. The branch code is the 5-digit number. So I'll just copy this and paste it here and then select continue. So here you just add your card information, right? And then you'll select add and select continue. So I'm just going to select my card which is on file. So here you'll just review your transaction and then it's send. However, I do not want to send any money now, so I'm not going to proceed with this transaction, right? So that's basically how you'll use Ria Money Transfer to send money worldwide. So that's for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.